Welcome to Living Clean in the Country. Today we are going to make rustic farmhouse laundry signs. To start, we need 3 pieces of scrap wood about the same size and then sand them down. Once they are sanded, we want to paint them. I am using Behr Marquise in the color Weathered White. Once this has dried, I'm going to take my printouts for the wordings that I want, which I mirrored on the computer, and brush an even coat of Mod Podge on it. Position it on the wood where I want it, flip it over, and once I complete the same process for all the pieces, add weights and leave them to dry overnight. Now that they are dry, I'm going to use a sponge, wet the paper thoroughly, and scrub a bit to remove the excess paper. To get the look I'm going for, after this is done, I'm going to use sandpaper to make the wording look a bit more worn and weathered. Now that I have the look that I'm going for, I want to coat it with Mod Podge and let it dry. This should take about 20 minutes. I'm going to use command strips to hang these, attaching the red side to my signs and the black side to the walls. For full written instructions, please check out our website, littlefoxacres.com. And there you have it, really easy rustic farmhouse laundry signs. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hope to see you on the next one.